Hello and welcome to the episode. Please like and subscribe. Today we are going to be taking a look at the brand, the Tie Bar. We'll do the unboxing, the try on. With that being said, let's get into it. Now I already opened this up and took out my receipt. You can see all that. If you would like to pause the video. And here is the shirt. Now the Tie Bar is known for their suiting accessories. Ties, pocket square, dress socks, things of that nature. But more recently, they have moved into dress shirts. Like this. Now they have two fits. This is their trim fit. They also have a standard fit as well. And they claim that it fits so well, it feels like it's made for you. Or something along the lines of that. You have adjustable cuffs. And the collar stays, of course, are plastic. I think that covers the unboxing. Let's go try it on. Now, according to this tag that it comes with, it is no ironing board required. Fits so well you think it is custom made. The shirt is also machine washable. Now, like always, I would recommend after you wash the dress shirt, you hang dry it on a hanger. It is 16.5, 34, 35 trim fit. The Tie Bar for their dress shirts have two fits, standard fit and trim fit. The shirt for retail price was $55, but I got it on a bit of a discount for around $50. It is cut longer than most dress shirts, let's say ones that you would find at Macy's or even JCPenney's, so it is made and designed to be tucked in. With that being said, thank you so much for watching. Cheers.